Okay, so let's take for granted we've got 1, 4, 5 here, and that's very interesting because if you do the A-shaped A, key of A, so this is the fret nut here now, folks. We're going in the key of A here. Watch out! I just don't have the capo there, so I'll be inclined to go get these notes where you normally wouldn't be able to. So it'd be okay. So we have the A-shaped A, and then we have, going up a pentatonic scale from the A shape, we got the C minor shaped B minor. It goes like this. All right, so we've got whoa. Okay, I got it tuned up again. So like I said, we got the B minor and the C sharp minor, then the D, okay, and then we've got the E7, but additionally we also have the 6th, and we also, in the key of A, we have the 7th, the half diminished 7th. So, like I was just showing you, we have the A-shaped A, and then the you go up one pentatonic member to the C minor shaped B minor, and then you go up one pentatonic to the D minor shaped, and that would be the C sharp minor, and that we had over here. And then we would go to the 4th, which is the D, and then we have a big old E-shaped 5th. Okay, and then going from that E shape, you would go up to a G minor shaped 6th, and that would be your C minor, C sharp minor. C sharp minor. That would be a G minor shaped 6th. Now over here, holy cow, we got to start on the 6th there, and the 6th is in the key of A is the F sharp. So we're going to be starting doing that G minor shaped here. Okay, so it gets a little tricky, but you just follow the pentatonic shapes. So that should remove some of the confusion of what is 1, 4, 5. It's actually, it could be totally modal. I might just put all 7 right down there. I think that, we're going to do in the next chart. And but if you do the 3 pentatonics, you get the whole scale. Right, so you do the A pentatonic over the D over the E, and you get the A diatonic. Now we have to get to what we're going to talk about. We have to, or I'm going to have to cover it sometime in the future. You want to know now what's going on. Why do we want to start a cage shape from any string, and why do we have to follow this rule here? Alright, the string magic circle now. This isn't the string circle. This is the string circle. The string magic circle it's magic because you start any cage shape from any of the strings, bottom or top or middle, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, or sixth string. And it magically turns into the string shape of the bottom string. But what is that string shape? That's what this string magic circle gives you. So if you start on the first string on the bottom, it's going to be the same. It's going to be the same string magic circle. It's going to be the same string shape. Why do we want to know this? Because looking at our A in it one more time. So we do know that the A shape works for any key. Alright, in the key of A, the 5 would be the E, but it could be the key of C where the 5 is the G. And that's easy for me to play. Okay. So that just somehow went to the 5th a little bit, but the thing is, this, now that we can trust this shape here, we can trust this as, this is the A shape. Look at how many A shapes there are all over the place on the fretboard. They're everywhere. Everywhere you look, there's A shapes. Okay? They're just everywhere. So right there we just circled about 6 of them just in this little region of the fretboard. So there's 6 A shapes. So if we wanted to start an A shape on any one of those 6, we would certainly want to know what cage shape that we were playing in. That's why we want to know how to start a cage shape from any string now. So if we want to start an A shape from any string, if we want to start the A shape from let's say from here. So what string is that? That's 1, 2, 3, 4. So the rule says that we're going to go up to the top string to find out that there's a 3, 4, 5 up there, and you know it's a C shape, so it's a C cage. But all we knew is we were playing a 5, 6 there. We didn't know where we were. We were just 5, 6, and we knew that was 5, 6 somehow. Somebody said, let's say they say, okay, we're going to play in the key of A, and we're going to play a C sharp, a C sharp, an F sharp minor to an E. That's what they're going to be doing the jam. You know, somebody can't find their dog or something. They're just like looking all over the place, and they just the hot sun is bearing down, and I can't find Pete. You know, he sits down and he kind of puts his head down. Okay, so that kind of thing, right? Like kind of, you know, you just set a mood, so you know, sounds good. So they're doing that. You just know, okay, well, I can play a 5, 6 now in that. So I know the 5th of A is E, and the 5th and the 6th is F sharps. So here's where you're playing it, but you don't know where you're at. Sure, if you have a diagram in front of you, you could say, okay, or I can say this right now. Okay, if I'm playing the 5, 6 on the 3rd string right here, let me just shift the diagram over. You ain't gonna do this. Mentally in your head, you're just trying to play along and sound good. You know you're on the 3rd string. So at that point, we're going to go down to the string shape definition. The definition of the cage is the 1st string or the top string, because we're going to take it down, because we don't want to go up 4/5. We're going to go down 2/4. So for the A shape,